No, and then we need one more edge in the bottom here. Okay, almost.
Almost, yeah.
Now check from the other side.
I feel like this.
It has to be opened in a way. Okay. See how it's opening? So now you put something that is doing pressure, and then what you want to do is heat it up more.
Okay.
And then it will open by itself.
Open by itself?
Yeah, look. Now, see? So now if you see the inside,
Whoa. How is it?
you will see the ribbons here. So it might be this that's broken.
Yeah.
So now we need some plastic. Let's put more heat. Let's turn it off again. Okay. You can stop recording for now.
Whoa.
Yeah, I need like actual pliers, but maybe we can use the nail maybe.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh.
So now this is how you change a GoPro screen. You put a new screen, but we don't have one screen, so we're gonna see if we find some damage here. We might be able to get away with fixing it. Sometimes I think they get corrosion or water inside. Let's see. Salt, yeah. We'll use this.
Wow.
I think there's some connections here, and there's a chip here that actually gets damaged.
You see the damage?
I haven't seen the chip yet because it's down there, but for us to see, I think we have to remove. Let's see. It's under there, and we would have to remove the LCD, the actual LCD from the frame. So maybe like you have to unglue it. Let's see, what we can see is make sure that all these ribbons are in good shape. Yeah. And this is just to hold it. It's nothing important. So let's see. We can just clean this with alcohol and a toothbrush. Do you have like a toothbrush you don't use?
No, but you have toothbrush, right?
Or like little. So this is not too bad. Well, the most important thing is not to damage this too much. But you know, that's inevitable because
my GoPro is getting cream.
yeah. If you put a new screen, then this is what you have to do. Make sure you clean all the edges. All this glue you want to remove as much as you can. Okay, so now you want to clean this too, this contact here. And maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. If it doesn't work, then we need a new LCD. Yeah.
Or buy new.
Or buy a new GoPro.
New Insta360.
Yeah.
Fuck a GoPro.
I think there might be some damage there, but I don't know. I've seen other people like destroying it so much more
Yeah.
to open it.
Yeah, it's really clean how you did.
Very-
Amazing.
And now,
You're amazing.
just because we're gonna use the same one, you know, like, but if we didn't use the same display, I mean, we might have to buy a new display. I think this is pretty okay. And then it's not drying too much. Let's see. Maybe if you find another broken GoPro with a good screen, I can put a good screen.
Junk.
You think you could find one? No, maybe not.
Like book off, like second hand.
Yeah. So probably it's not. It's not broken. Yeah, still making the lines. Yeah, it's gonna be. Maybe you can find a marketplace somebody that's selling their GoPro 10. See, it's good when you put the new screen, it will be there, like really good. Sometimes this is like you have to fix all the sides to make them look good. See? What do you think? It looks good?
Yeah.
You're gonna match that hole with this stick here.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put these two first. You can put it, you can just do it like this. See, there's one.
Two of them.
And then two. Has to click. And then what you can do, you can just turn the GoPro on before you put it in. So you make sure that it turns on. And then if anything, you just return it. If it's not working, you just return the new screen.
Okay.
So it's free. So it's close like this, turn on, and then you would just turn it on. Now it's just black, but yeah.
Okay.